wear protective equipment. So there are various kinds of personal protective equipment are available in the market. So according to the type of work, we have to select the appropriate PPE in order to protect ourselves. Okay, it may be to protect our head, or protect our eyes, or protect our ears, or protect our body parts, or to protect our uh, uh, okay, the respiratory organs, okay, or protect our legs. Okay, for each and everything we have got separate PPEs. So according to the situation or according to the safety hazard, okay, we have to select the appropriate PPE. And so from this diagram, we can understand the various kinds of PPEs which are available for protecting various parts of our body. And also make sure that, okay, the chemicals which are used in industry, especially in chemical based industries, okay, we should have the warning signal on the label, and also the bottles or chemicals must be labeled properly, and it should communicate what type of chemical is preserved in that particular container, whether it is highly toxic or highly harmful, okay, whether we can handle without any caution. All such details must be available on the label which is pasted on the container. Then take breaks. Okay, we need to make the workers to take breaks in between to refresh themselves. Okay, if they are tired, that will become a source for the happening of accident. Okay, so the tired team members may pose a risk. So we have to be very careful, and we should not allow the workers to work continuously for a longer duration. And don't skip the steps. Okay, so whenever we have to follow a step or a safety steps which need to be followed when we operate a particular machine tool, okay, we should instruct the workers not to skip any steps. Okay, if we skip any step, that will become a cause for the occurrence of accidents. Then stay up to date with new procedures and protocols. Sometimes when we handle a new equipment or an equipment which we may not be fully aware of, okay, we should have proper procedures. So we must aware of the new procedures or the procedures which are to be followed when we handle that particular new equipment or the even existing equipment which may not be familiar with. So in that situation, we have to update our knowledge, and we should aware of the procedures, or we should undergo training in order to avoid the things related to, okay, safety procedures. Maintain proper posture. So this is also another important thing in the workplace. Okay, the posture, the sitting position or standing position or working position, all are very very important. So if we don't maintain an appropriate posture when we do our activity, that will lead to health issues like aches, pains, or maybe pains in our neck, back, or in the shoulders. When we do it continuously for a longer duration, okay, that will become a big issue in our body.